morning, y'all. I am Tara Hewlett with Back Pain and Joint Center, Texas, and I come every week to share a family recipe with you guys. So those recipes are low inflammation, so they do not consist of gluten, dairy, or sugar. We try to eliminate those three things from our everyday diet here at the house because those things can cause our bodies to become inflamed, and when our bodies are inflamed, they cannot recover and heal at the optimal speed and timing that we would want. So by eliminating those three things, we can be in our healthier state. So today I'm going to share with you guys a charcuterie board. So what's fun about these is they're super popular, but instead of a board, we're actually doing a cup. And the reason why I have two samples here to start with to show you what they're going to look like at the end is I like to do the cups because then I can set them on, like if you're going to have like a luncheon, you can set them on the table and they can start as an appetizer right away without like the kids picking all their favorite crackers or whatever it is. But the other reason I wanted to show this is even if you're not someone who likes to host things and gatherings, but if you're at someone's house, you can bring this as well as what you know what to eat or not eat because of gluten, dairy, and sugar. So I think it's good to know what your options are so when you go to pick out one, you know what you can have. All right, so to go ahead and get started, I'm gonna start with this clear little cup because you can kind of see which is fun in there. So just to start with the base, we have some almonds and pecans. So what I love, and if you don't want to make a cup and make it all pretty, these are great things just to have as a snack. You can pack for work or for your kids or for yourself at home to have on hand, which is great. So we'll just start with throwing a couple almonds, and I just kind of put those at the base. And we have some pecans here we can toss in as well. All right, let me scoot that back so you can see the cup. All right, then we'll go ahead and I go with grapes. So I keep the grapes on the stem just so it kind of balances on my cup. So I'm just gonna cut just a little bundle there, and I just kind of drape it so it's draping and hanging. You just gotta find the balance. Yeah, that'll work. So we keep it there. So that's our grapes. But when you get your fruit, go ahead and wash it and whatnot. And then we'll go ahead and let's do like our pickles here. So I've got some of these little cocktail size kosher pickles. And what's great is all of this that I'm gonna show you is gluten-free. So I go in and look for them. Some of them are huge. You don't wanna put nobody wants to eat a big old monster one. You want like a good medium size one. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then I put behind it a cherry tomato. So I like these ones that are like different colors. They're fun. So you can put like, if you wanted to do an orange one behind that, and then you can just kind of stack that in there like that. And then we can take, I have some basil, some fresh basil. You want some greenery in there. So in this cup, I already did. I put rosemary. It pops out, it looks cute with the rosemary. But basil's great too because you can eat the basil with your veggies and your crackers. So I kind of grabbed three. I had a friend once say that you should always do when you do like arrangements in groups of three. And she said, if you can't remember that, just remember the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. And I was like, oh, there you go. That's a cute little tip. Let's find one. That one's kind of wilted looking. So I grabbed three and I just kind of put those in the back there of my cup. And then we're just going to kind of work on balancing it's like a little balancing act till we get going. And then next we can do some olives. I love both the green and the black olives. So we'll just go ahead and put both. And I try to get a mix of different toothpicks. So like these are like little fun ones versus your normal toothpicks. So you can use both. And then we'll just layer our olives on. I can grab an olive. Just gonna poke them through. can just put that back there. Kind of let different heights of things going. All right, then we can work on, let's put some, let's see. Oh, we can put some carrots. Some baby carrots are good down there. And that helps balance down at the bottom. It's hard to see backwards. Okay, so I'm gonna put like a fatter one down at the bottom, and then this one, let's pick another one down there to help lift up. And there, so now we have some different pops of color coming out. That's what's always good. And color is always good. It gives us a variety. It makes food exciting when we have lots of colors going. We can take a medium-sized strawberry. And we could just go ahead and place that there. Put some, we have some blackberries we can toss in there as well. Just kind of plop them in there. Fill them all in like that. And then we'll take, so this is what I'm excited to show you. So often on the board they'll have like Ritz crackers or the entertainment crackers or pretzels, which aren't gluten-free, and you can't eat that. So you're like, okay, well I can eat the fruit and the vegetables, but that's it. So our favorite, and they are super yummy, are these Simple Mills crackers. So these ones, they have lots of different flavors. This is a veggie with Himalayan salt. And so this one's good, and I love that it's different shapes. So this is like a triangle shape. Then we go to this one. This one's my absolute favorite. So this is a sun-dried tomato and basil. Super yummy, full of flavor. And so this one's just a square. So by mixing them two together, you get different varieties, which is great. So then I'll just take some of my triangle ones, and you can just place those. Oh, that one's a broken one. We'll put some back here. So, and then you can take your sun-dried tomato, and these ones are a little bit smaller, and just kind of place it all around back there. And then we'll just take now our salami. You just get different kinds that you might like. And you can just roll it up, and we can just place it right, we'll actually put where that raspberry is, and we'll tuck it in there. And then we can take another kind. I just get the variety pack of meats. So this one is like, got different flavors of meat in it. So, and they're all gluten-free, which is great. And then, so often they put cheese, so I just eliminate the cheese from my cups here. And then, whatever's in them, you can have. Super simple. Oh, my cracker broke though. And yummy. So it's just getting them to tuck in there. And there you go. So then you could just set out when you have your gatherings. If you need to take somebody a treat, super easy. Like I said, so you can do a little cup, and it just different fruits, nuts, your meats and your gluten-free crackers. And they're, different ones have different things. So this one has more with the blackberries. This one here, I sliced up some cucumber, and you can put some cucumber in there. That's super yummy too. And that would be good to eat with your cracker and your basil, and then, some olive. And so you guys enjoy making those this week. And so what's great is as springtime's coming up, these are great to have for gatherings, if you're going somewhere, what to eat as well as what you can set out. I feel like in spring we have more gatherings for snacks before things actually get started. So you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next week, and hope you guys enjoy. Bye.